Alright, I think I'm good. I think I'm on. Okay. I think I'm on. I want to check and see. Am I live? Hello? I don't know what's happening. Let's see. Let me just crack my back. Okay, yeah, I am live. Or no, yes, I am. Okay. Jesus Christ. I'm like trying to figure out some shit. Log me out. Trying to see if I am in fact live and if it's fucking working. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm on there. Okay. All right, cool. I am live. I had to make sure that that was happening. All right. Okay, so okay. Oh, good morning, everybody. All right, we're doing the same thing that we did yesterday, which is to read through the Bookkeeping Foundation Kit together. So, perfection. TikTok, go ahead and tell people that I'm live, for fuck's sake. Let bitches know. And I can probably share my screen on here because look how fancy I have set this up. I am so smart, so fancy. Look at me. I bet you I can add the window and you can see what's going on. Oh yeah, so good. Oops, let me move this up here. Ooh, look at me, I'm so fancy. I'm so smart and fancy. It's not closed. Okay. Right. So, you should be able to see. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Look how amazing this is. Damn. Save a copy of this so that I can mark it up. Look Look how brilliant I am. Oh, I'm so good. All right. So, can I do this? Make it a little bit bigger. So, make this bigger. Okay. Perfect. Look how fucking fancy I am. I'm so happy with myself. I'm so good. Woo! We did it, y'all. I'm taking a picture of how fucking amazing I am. So pleased. Okay. Also, let me know if you can hear the music because I tried to set it up. Ooh, can I add a product? Oh, no. Which is dumb. Alright, well, you know. Purchase the Bookkeeping Foundation Kit. Perfect. Move that over here. Move that over here so I can make this a little bit smaller. And out of my way. Cool. Oh my gosh, look how fucking fancy I am. Alright, so we're gonna get started. And people should filter in. Oh, it does say that there's people in here. Cool. I'm still trying to get things set up. So it looks like we're good to go now. So why don't you go ahead and drop into the comments. Let me know where you're watching from. And compliment me on my fucking amazing job setting up the TikTok live. Because I'm really pleased with how I've configured this whole thing. So yeah, we're working through the Bookkeeping Foundation Kit, and I'm so fucking smart, and I figured out how to set all of this up so that we can look at the questions together and work through the kit together. So, yesterday, we ended inside the kit here, which is page 7. And we ended with this section here, where to start in QuickBooks Online. I gave you the free podcast episodes that anybody can go listen to because the podcast is public and it is, it's free, public, and available for everybody to listen to. So for part 1 of the kit, for learning how to set up QuickBooks Online, learning how to use QuickBooks to do your bookkeeping, here's the recommended podcast episodes to get you started. Number 36 is called Diversify to Thrive, Reducing Pressure on Your Business with Multiple Income Streams. So this is for my serial entrepreneurs out there who love to